In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft storage battery in one's human. So this is actually a bit tricky, however, it's not that hard after all. So what you have to do is first we go inside Memetics. So click I on your keyboard, go to Memetics and click Memetics. In here, the first thing you have to unlock is to go inside your logistics, okay? So inside logistics, you want to go down here and look for electrical kit. So you have to unlock everything up till electrical kit. And in here, as you can see, we have a storage battery. Now that's the first thing you need. And then the second one is inside crafting up here. So inside crafting, you have to have intermediate tools unlocked because for this, we're going to need an intermediate supplies workbench. So now let's place down an intermediate supplies workbench. So I'm going to place down one right now. Let me get it. There we go. It's over here. So what you'll need is, as I said, an intermediate supplies workbench, and beware because it's quite big, as you can see. And then yeah, simply enter this, and in here you'll be able to see your battery, so storage battery. As you can see, it's over here. You want to simply click on it and craft it, and that's pretty much it. That's how to get storage battery in one's human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.